3 St. Thomas teens arrested after cops seized 2 firearms.
Serial number?
Yeah, I'm sure. SW9V. So, serial number. PAN.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
One Smith & Wesson Springfield 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 7 9mm rounds and a Beretta 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 15 9mm rounds were seized in Seaforth, St. Thomas, and 3 teenagers arrested on Tuesday, September 14th. Reports from the Morant Bay police are that minutes after 10 a.m. on Tuesday, the teenagers were trespassing on a farm when they were stopped and searched. The firearms were found on 2 of them, prompting their arrest. The teens are to be questioned in the presence of their attorneys, after which charges will be laid under the Disaster Risk Management Act and the Firearms Act.
What up your face? What up your face? Yeah, tell her what up your face.
What up your head? We'll get a good price. Turn around. Wait. Don't look. Yeah, man. Shop.
What up your head?
No more. Just continue.
What up your head?
On this side. That's how we put one. That's him. That's him name.
Christopher Anthony Campbell.
No man, it's Campbell. Him a Campbell.
Go. Perfect.
Him a Campbell. It's a right Campbell. Can you start right? Right Campbell. Christopher Anthony Campbell. Right Campbell.
Which one you say, Campbell?
Yeah. So you might want to pick. You might, let me tell you one. Smith & Wesson, Springfield.
Where do you come from? You can see what do you come from?
Springfield.
Where do you come from?
Model SW9V.
Smith & Wesson, what?
Springfield. Springfield. Model? No, model SW9V. I look for the serial number.
Sir. Sir. Sir.
Oh, see serial number.
Model what? S1?
SW.
Serial number?
Yeah, I'm sure. SW9V. So, serial number PAN 0920.
PAN 0
920.
Sir.
And the color, what do you call this? Brown?
No, my name is
Cream.
Or beige.
Tan. Tan is better.
No, this is a bit
Hold on, no.
beige.
Let me get film turn.
That be tan.
Tan and silver. Or what you call this? Silver.
Chrome.
Chrome. Tan and chrome. And put silver in a black. There's sorry. Tan.
CHROM as well?
Knock off all of them together.
No, hey, you don't roll back.
Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move.
Done with this. Let me tell you much wrong. Let me tell you much wrong today with it. Let me tell you much wrong. Yeah, man. Give me my back pocket, because you're not funny. When my back pocket up here. No, man, the other one. Oh, side pocket, side pocket. 7 9mm rounds.
For which one today?
For this Christopher man. Yes. 1 magazine.
No, take a picture of this here.
1 magazine containing. 1 magazine
Call back,
containing 7
We have
9mm rounds.
Call back spec. You better try call back.
Scratch. You can't really search him again. You search him already, but you can't search him again. You can't search him again.
I'm not joking. This is one boy and I'm not joking. Straight up.
So look at the Campbell. Alright. See the one that they make now, Mr. D?
My phone that to the one.
Which one? This?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
So what rounds are going?
No, that's a different one. Alright now. What the Miguel one? What your name youth now, Miguel?
PJ Millwood.
Alright. Millwood now.
Right on back on your face.
Hold it.
Right on back on your face. Yeah, you can't move that.
Ready? Yeah. You're bright, no, brother. Read a serial number here for me. It's a picture Beretta. CJ Milo. Picture.
Yeah, sure.
See it. Hold on. Let me just read something for this. It's a picture Beretta. Let me just see it a while again. Yeah, see it.
God, this should look like the
Alright.
Taurus.
Alright. Just put P Beretta. We can research it. Because we always see P Beretta. And it's look like garden. Something like that. But when you go down, you can pull it up. Love it, pull it up. The serial number, the right here, sir. You see the serial number, the right here. See it here. Look here, sir. You can see it right here, sir. If you take a picture, I suppose you can zoom it up. Black. The color are black. Alright, count this here, let me make sure. Come, we get 40, say for 40.
2, 4, 5,
One magazine containing 14
10, 11,
live 9
13,
minutes.
14. I want that girl.
15, Mr. D. 15.
One of them.
Yeah, man, I'll give you this boss.
Try
To the
this.
station, so when you call sometime, you just need to just cooperate. Yeah, that's all.
Which one
When
is
I see the boy, my
phone?
belly start turning from my belly, I turn, I know sitting around. If I leave me alone still, you know. Difference. Yeah, but you know.
Alright, where next one?
Him have it. So, this a film phone. This a food phone here. Food phone.
Yeah.
Yes. With the battery.
The man next level.
Yeah, man, I'll give you. I never searching back then, yeah? Then back over the side. One of them run still, you know.
One of them run.
Yeah. They will tell you how. Hey,
I want to go there.
what your friend name? Campbell.
No,
Oh?
no. Yes, sir.
Your friend name will run.
Oh, man.
Where you come from?
But
Same
you
block,
said
sir.
didn't come from. I don't really my friend now, then.
They know you're
I
animal park.
just get to
You man him up to some idea.
They want to know for some. I want to
Really?
know.
Where you live?
Yeah, near to me and
You don't know where you live? Where you live?
Address.
Swam, sir.
Eh?
Swam, sir.
That's an address.
Swam?
Yes.
Soon let you show.
Which part of Swam? Which part up there?
You know what I did, sir?
Yeah, man. You didn't crowd up there.
Sir?
You didn't crowd up there.
Spider.
Spider.
You put on dress.
Oh,
Remember him dress?
a union, so.
Which one?
Right, all the way like dress.
Yeah.
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 Where you guys come from, you know, sir?
Where you come from?
Don't worry about that, man.
Jenkins. Which one of them named Jenkins again?
Yes, sir. Andre Jenkins.
Blue
Blue
shirt.
shirt. Last name, sir.
Blue long sleeve t-shirt and blue short blue jeans pants.
In one come from him. One come from
No, them two here.
In two there.
And him have one red slippers. Red slippers, you hear Mr. D? And Milo that one.
You are born.
Them annex.
Can't remove it there.
Huh?
Just come on and remain with them.
Who are the commander?
So we.
Oh.
Yeah, man. What about the situation? I don't know.
Oh, wait. No, somebody else not now, but they're not whoever. That's not now.
Oh,
Hey,
turn on back, man.
No. Just get that from home, you know.
Oi, stop talking, man.
No, you're
Them
nothing
no
for you.
family.
Stop the
Brother, we don't
talking.
want you're nothing for you.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.